I get this question asked a lot. Hey Christine, is it important to hang out with like-minded thinkers? Well, the bottom line is that you're hanging out with people who don't believe in your goals, your dreams, and your vision. They're going to drag you down. They'll strip away the dream from you. They're the dream killers. One of the biggest fuels you can have is to meet other people who think like you, who believe the success is possible, who strive to reach the next level. When sharing your big vision with them, like wanting to buy millions of dollars of multifamily real estate, they don't shoot it down. Instead, they applaud you and they say, man, Christine, let's go. I want to be a part of that. Those are the rooms you want to be in. So be very protective of your circle and the people you surround yourself with every day. Just as right people can boost, elevate your vision, the wrong people can drag you down, demoralize you, and strip away your creative energy and power. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Never be the most successful or smartest person in the room. You want to hang out with people who think like you, support your vision. You want to be supportive, mentored, encouraged. What do you think about this? Comment below. Tag a friend.